What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. I haven't done one of these videos in a while. In this video I'll be unboxing a new ring light from Neewer. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, let's get into the unboxing. Nice, so it comes in the bag. And this is the RL18 smartphone ring light kit. Two things inside that box. The light stand, this is a separate, it's an own box right here. And in this case, I believe is our new light ring from Neewer. Okay, we get the frame of the light right here. Wow. It's an 18-inch light with 55 watts of output. So now we have three things on the table. And this box right here, the diffusers, the light diffusers, and yep, like I said, four of these right here. You get four of the orange ones on the side right here. You got the cord, the light adapter itself. It has this phone holder. You got some manuals here. I believe this is the remote control. Yes, it is. Look how tiny that is. This is our ring light. And I can see it right here, like inside the light. There's a silver layer all along the rim that reflects the light output to you. I don't know if I mentioned the price yet. I bought this on the Prime Day and it was really discounted. I paid $84. Now it's listed for $112. I will include that in the video. Let's see what's inside this box. So here's the light stand. That's a big heavy rod right there. This here is a camera head. This is the stand. Goes the other way. Okay, here we go. So I'd rather have it here on the floor, and of course it's you can extend this and make sure you tighten these before you place anything heavy on top of it. It's about what, 7-8 feet. Now we can place this light on top of everything. It has these knobs right here that you have to loosen up a little bit, and then go straight in there. Make sure you tighten this up. Okay, and this is what makes you control the light tilt right on this knob right here. And if you want to tilt it to the left or the right, it's this knob right here. I'm gonna turn it on. And I want to try this remote control, see how it works. Okay guys, so this is how the light looks like without all the diffusers installed. And this here is not a remote control for your light. This can connect to your phone if you're filming, and then you can turn your camera on and off. But the light is dimmable, and you can see here I can go all the way down to 1%. And turn it off. So this is the lowest settings, and keep going. This is the highest. So it's really, I can tell you guys, it's really bright. I'm sitting too close to this light. It's really blinding. I will definitely be including some shots taken with this light. You probably can see them right now, and you can see how the reflection of the light inside the eyes. I didn't use the diffusers, I know, and let me do it right now actually. They overlap each other's with a small, this did not overlap. Let me turn the light all the way up. A beautiful ring of light. It's very consistent across the ring. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you guys how to set this light up to work with your phone. You go to your Bluetooth settings on your phone, you connect it to this remote control right here. This is the remote control that came with the light, and there's a switch right here. You need to turn that on. But first, let me set up my phone on this light, and we will go from there. So this light, as you guys know, came with 3 parts. So this is the phone holder, and that's the ball head. So these 2 came with the light, and in addition to this rod, extension rod that came with the light as well. Now we're not going to use this for the phone right now. So in this case, I'm going to be using the phone holder and the camera ball. I will install it right here first. And you have 2 places to do it, like portrait or landscape. So I'm gonna do landscape just like that, and then I can adjust this to go in here and tighten this up. Now I can fit my phone in here, and then I'm gonna turn it the other way. This will come down. This is not landscape, so I should have turned the phone around. So what I'm gonna do is, now I can fit my phone inside here. Okay, here we go. With this tiny remote control, you can control the camera while you're sitting over there. And it has only 1 switch on this side. I don't know if you guys can see it. There's a switch right here, a tiny switch. You need to turn this on, and it will create a Bluetooth connection with your phone. Now on your phone, you need to go settings, or you know what, you can go to Bluetooth from here to the Bluetooth settings, and I already connected this, so it shows that it's connected. But I'm gonna do it. It's really simple. It's just like connecting to any Bluetooth device. So now when it searches for Bluetooth devices, it will show as Neewer RT107, and I'm going to pair with the remote control. Now it's paired. So if I go now to my camera and I click on this, I have it on photo right now. If I click on this, it will snap a picture. If I go to video and I click this camera button right here, now it's taken a video, it's filming. So this is really simple. That's it for connecting your camera to this remote control that came with the light. So guys, thank you again for watching my video. Please make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you again in another future video. Peace.